Okay, we're taking off a little bit early, and Pete's going to show me around the coast part of Adelaide before Pete jacks up this afternoon. Now, this is the same bike that I started off with. I picked up in 2015. It's the original 2014 Springfield Blue. Now, he's done some beautiful stuff. Made it a solo bike with his chrome. Some karaoke extras on it. Bloody beautiful. There's go for a bit of a cruise around Adelaide, and we've got heaps of time before Jax lands here this afternoon. Alright, let's do it. Okay, Pete's been taking me around the coast of Adelaide, and it's been nice. The weather's fantastic. Some coffees and some beautiful beach views. I'm just getting some pictures of the bike. $2, mate. $2. $2. You want to take pictures? $2.
I charge $10.
Oh, me undercut.
Undercut. Yeah. Bad business.
Rip myself off. Very nice. Look at that. We're on the train lines, mate.
Yeah. See, this is the Adelaide high-speed rail. You can see the gauge. High-speed rail.
Yeah.
It's the latest high-tech that we got, you know.
It's very high-tech.
Yeah, and you see the wobble, you know, because that's what they do.
Yep. You got to have the wobble.
You got to have the wobble. No wobble,
Why'd
no
you do
joy.
without the wobble?
Well, that's why a lot of women are on that train.
Oh, they like the wobble.
They like the wobble.
They like the wobble.
The wobble.
So they're smiling. A lot of smiling women on the train.
Yeah,
getting
yeah,
the wobble.
yeah. They got no washing machines on the train, but so they got a wobble.
2 days of this. I'm going to. Yeah. I'm turning Dutch.
That's right.
Gold. Okay. Pete's left me. Headed home, and I'm just hanging around Adelaide or Port Adelaide or Glenegg or wherever I am for a little while before it's time to pick Jack up. But I don't know if I can do it, but I've got some scientific freaking toilets here, I'm telling you. It's like I was on Futurama or something. Bender was talking to me. Oh, excuse what? Excuse the pig. It's not a bad little spot here. Apparently this is a bit of the upper class area or something. So I'm shouldn't be here. Alright. A little vid today of our trip around. Hope you're all well. Hey.